How to fix Mondly app not working. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I would show you how you can fix Mondly app not working. So if you are in a situation whereby you downloaded the Mondly app and then you click on it, but the app is not working, the first thing you must do is that you ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Yeah, Mondly requires an active connection to function properly. So ensure you just go to your notification bar, scroll it down, and then check if your internet connection is stable or not. Now, after checking that if it's stable, another thing that you can do is to update the app. All right. If you are using the old version of the Modly app, you might not be able to it might not work. So for you to update the app, just go to your Play Store, and then once you're on your Play Store, ensure you are on the home page, and then in the search box, just type out Modly, and then once the monthly app is displayed, if there is a new version of the application, instead of open, you'll see the option update. All right, so just go ahead and click on update, and then once you click on update, the new version, the latest version of the monthly app would be displayed. And then once you've tried that, go back to try and open the app to see if it would work or not. But if it's still not working, another thing you can do is to restart the app. All right, you can just close the Modly app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a little restart or a simple restart can resolve minor glitches such as this. And that thing that you can do is to clear the phone's cache and storage. That is the app's cache. And how do you do so? On the page, just head over to your settings, and then once you've clicked on settings, on the settings page, click on app management, and then click on app list. Then after that, just go ahead and search for your Modly. Okay. Then tap on Modly. Alright. Where is it? Modly. Okay. Now, so after typing out Modly and you've seen it, then on this page, select storage and cache. And then you can now go ahead to click on clear storage and clear cache. And then having done that, you can now reinstall the app if it still doesn't work. And then eventually the app should work. So if it's after trying all of this and the app does not work, the next thing that you can do is to contact the monthly support. But with all of the things I've said, definitely if you try it out and you do them well, the application should start working again. So thanks for watching and have a good day.